Hi, this is KC from KC Grandpa Tech, where I talk about everything tech and fun stuff. I've had some requests for me to talk about ring lights and selfie ring lights and such that are under $50. So I have a product here I'm going to be looking at today. It's a selfie ring light, a 10-inch. It has a little bitty tripod stand and an adjustable ring light with multiple tones. So let's get to it, and I'll tell you about what I found. I've unboxed it and put it together. It comes with the mini tripod. It comes with a gooseneck connector that connects to your cell phone, and you can turn it 180 degrees. It also comes with a variable connector that you can turn and another cell phone holder, and it does come with a handheld device that you can sync with your phone to activate your selfie device. It is now, like I said, it has you can increase and decrease the control intensity by the remote control. You can see it getting a little louder and brighter and brighter, and I can bring the brightness back down again. And also I can control the hue. I don't know, see if you can really catch it, but you'll see it on the background. On the cardboard, you'll notice that the hue is changing. You see it? So that gives you excellent ability to control and change the coloring of the circle ring while you're recording with this device. Another nice feature about this unit that I found is that it is standard connections. The tripod mount that it comes with is a standard 1/4-inch screw. So I was able to replace it and put a different tripod on here if I wanted to, or I could put a taller tripod. The other thing is the cell phone holder is again a 1/4-inch adapter. So I happen to have a 1/4-inch adapter kit. I put that in here. I took the adjustable ball unit to connect it, and I put my webcam in here. So you could put a webcam, you could put a standard camera in here, you could put your DSLR camera in here. You have this kit, if you with a standard adapter kit, makes this extremely adaptable. So again, I give it 5 stars, and I gotta say, I totally recommend it. For $30, this is an excellent circle ring. You know, in itself, by itself, it's good. It's great for just starting to vlog and you're using a cell phone. The little Bluetooth adapter that works on either Android or it works on your iPhone. That's a nice little touch. But what really made it excellent for me was its ability to be used in other situations. Like I said, you take off the tripod that comes with it. It's a 1/4-inch mount, and you can mount any tripod on there or any mount you like. The other thing is the goose type adapter that is used to mount your cell phone is standard 1/4-inch, and with a 1/4-inch adapter you can buy on Amazon. You just screw it on, take any adapter you need to put on there. I happen to use the one, the kit that came with it, the variable mount, and you can put a DSLR camera, a camcorder, anything. So again, I give this 5 stars. What do you think? I think I totally recommend it. So please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, you have a great day.